Welcome back to Infinity Beyond. We've seen how oxygen powers your brain, fuels your cells, and connects you to the stars. But one of oxygen's most remarkable roles is also one of its quietest: healing. Yes, oxygen is a healer. From the moment you're injured, a scraped knee, a pulled muscle, a surgical wound, oxygen becomes your body's silent partner in repair. It rushes to the scene with nutrients, clears away waste, and helps rebuild what was damaged. Let's look at how this works. When tissue is damaged, the immune system responds immediately. White blood cells flood the area, releasing signals that widen nearby blood vessels, a process called vasodilation. This brings more oxygen-rich blood to the injury site. Oxygen is essential here. Without it, cells can't divide, build proteins, or generate energy needed to rebuild tissue. Collagen, the protein that holds skin and tissue together, requires oxygen to form. Blood vessels themselves won't grow without it. That's why wounds in poorly oxygenated areas, like the feet of diabetics or tissues affected by radiation, take longer to heal. And it's why oxygen therapy is used in hospitals, to speed recovery in difficult cases. In fact, hyperbaric oxygen therapy, HBOT, is a powerful medical treatment where patients breathe 100% oxygen in a pressurized chamber. This increases oxygen concentration in the blood, promoting healing in ways normal breathing can't. HBOT is used to treat everything from non-healing wounds to carbon monoxide poisoning, severe infections, radiation damage, and even traumatic brain injuries. It's a reminder that oxygen isn't just fuel, it's medicine. But healing isn't just physical. Oxygen also plays a key role in emotional recovery. During times of stress, anxiety, or grief, your body tenses, your breath shortens, and your oxygen intake decreases. This state can delay both emotional and physical healing. That's why practices like yoga, meditation, and deep breathing are so effective. They increase oxygen delivery, reduce stress hormones like cortisol, and signal to your body you are safe. You can begin to repair. Even in the immune system, oxygen makes a difference. White blood cells, particularly neutrophils and macrophages, require oxygen to kill bacteria and clean up dead tissue. A strong immune response is impossible without adequate oxygenation. When you're sick, your body craves rest and deeper breathing. It knows what it's doing. And sleep, perhaps the most restorative process of all, depends on stable oxygen delivery. During deep sleep, your body produces growth hormone, rebuilds muscle, and regenerates tissue. If oxygen is low, as with sleep apnea, these processes are interrupted, leading to fatigue, inflammation, and long-term health risks. The link between oxygen and inflammation is profound. Hypoxia, or oxygen deficiency, can trigger inflammatory responses throughout the body. Inflammation, in turn, can restrict blood flow, further lowering oxygen. It becomes a vicious cycle unless interrupted. Breathing well, then, is not just about survival. It's about thriving. It's about reducing recovery time, improving resilience, and enhancing immunity. Consider this. Elite athletes train not only their muscles but their lungs. They practice breath control to improve endurance and recovery. Singers and wind instrument musicians do the same. Their performance depends not just on strength, but on oxygen control. But you don't need to be an athlete to benefit. Simple breathing exercises, performed for a few minutes a day, can dramatically improve oxygen delivery. One popular method is box breathing. Inhale for 4 seconds. Hold for 4 seconds. Exhale for 4 seconds. Hold for 4 seconds. Repeat. This technique slows the heart, calms the nervous system, and restores oxygen balance. It's used by Navy SEALs, trauma therapists, and meditators alike. And the beauty? It's free, available anytime. no equipment required. In a world filled with pills, treatments, and technologies, oxygen remains one of the most potent healers, and it's already within you. At Infinity Beyond, we believe in honoring both the science and simplicity of healing. You are not broken. You are not behind. You are constantly repairing, evolving, and recovering, powered by something as humble as a breath. So tonight, as you lie in stillness, know that healing is happening. Maybe not quickly, maybe not visibly, but within you, cells are rebuilding, systems recalibrating, tissues knitting themselves whole again. And oxygen is there for all of it. Let your breath come slowly. Let your heart trust in its rhythm. Let every inhale remind you that recovery is real and you are part of it. You don't have to force healing. You only have to allow it. This is Infinity Beyond, where healing begins with breath.